guys need to try out these chicken cheese parathas. To make this, we'll start up with adding some yogurt in a bowl, add in some mayo, mint, coriander and salt for the sauce. This sauce is so good, guys. After that, for marinating our chicken, we add in some yogurt, garlic paste, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, some dry coriander, cumin and paprika. We add some chili flakes and olive oil and some lemon juice into it. इसके बाद हम अपने marinated chicken को अच्छी तरह से fry कर लेंगे. We'll fry our chicken until it looks like this. Then we spread our sauce onto the paratha and we'll add the delicious chicken along with some onions for the topping, and to enhance the taste, we'll spread some TAZO Mozzarella cheese. Then we add in some sauce into it. To serve these delicious chicken cheese parathas, we'll fry some TAZO panda fries. This is so good, guys. Try the recipe out and let us know. Allah Hafiz.